Good day, great students. Today we're working on Excel 2019 in practice, Chapter 5, Independent Project 5-4. Go ahead and click on your start file. We've got some resources, so we're going to go ahead and download those as well. Doesn't seem to be a zip file, so we'll go ahead and start by opening up our start file. Click on Enable Editing so we can begin the process. Step 2 says group all the worksheets. In order to group all the worksheets, first thing you want to do is click on Cash Flow, which is our first one. Hold the Shift button on your keyboard and then click on the last tab, which is Rockford. And you'll see it highlights all of the tabs at the same time. Step 3 says Edit and Format the grouped sheets. So select cells A1 through B2, A1 through B2, and click the launcher in the alignment group. So make sure you're on the Home tab in the alignment group, click the launcher, and you want to choose in the horizontal, center across selection. Then click OK. 3B says click the launcher in the page setup group. Click on the page layout tab, click on the page setup launcher. You'll receive the page setup dialog box. And you want to click the Margins tab. You want to choose horizontally from the Center on Page list, and then click OK. Edit the contents of cell A10 to read Cash Paid for Marketing. So click on cell A10. It says Currently Cash Paid for Promotions. We're going to remove Promotion and change it to Marketing. Press Enter. Click cell A1, and then we're going to ungroup the sheets by just clicking on one of the tabs at the bottom. Select the Cash Flow sheet, so we're back on Cash Flow. We're going to build a static data consolidation for the Cash Flow from Operations section. So select cells B4 through B12. Click on the Data tab. Click Consolidate. The function we want is sum, and the reference. We want to click on the Peoria tab. Select cells B4 through B12. Click Add. Go to the Champaign tab, and it should be B4 through B12 as well. Click Add. Click on the Rockford tab, and it should also say B4 through B12. Click Add. Where it says create links to source data, do not check that box. Go ahead and click OK. Step 6 says build a static consolidation for the cash flow from banking and investment section in cells B15 through B21. Delete the references in the consolidate dialog box and use sum as the function. We're going to highlight cells B15 through B21. And the same thing we just did a minute ago, we're going to do it again. Consolidate. This time we already have references. We're going to delete these so we can add our new ones. Click on the reference. Make sure it does say sum in the function. Click on Peoria. We're going to select B15 through B21. Click Add. When you click on Champaign, it should update B15 to B21. Click Add. And the same thing for Rockford. It should update B15 to B21. Click Add. No, we don't want to do create links, so make sure that's unchecked. Click OK. Step 7 says build a static consolidation for the cash balance at the beginning of the quarter amounts in cell B24 with sum as the function. So we're going to click on cell B24. We're going to click on Consolidate again. We're going to remove the current references, and we're going to click on Peoria. Click in the reference box, click on Peoria, and select B24. Click Add. Click on Champaign, B24. Click Add, and then click on Rockford, B24, and click Add. Select OK. Step 8 says insert a picture from a file. Delete the contents of cell A1 on the cash flow sheet. So make sure we're on cash flow. Click on cell A1 and hit delete. Click cell D2. Click the Pictures button. So go to the Insert tab, go to Pictures, and find and select WHES. So we downloaded that as one of our resources. WHES PNG. I'm going to select Insert. Click the height box and change to 1.2. Press Enter. Format the height of row 1 to 86.25. So we're going to click on row 1, go to Format, change row height to 86.25. Select OK. Point to the logo frame to display a move pointer. So this is our move pointer, the 4-way arrow. I'm going to click and drag so that it appears in cell A1 as the main label for the worksheet. I want it to look similar to this. Click cell D2 to deselect the image. I'm going to insert and copy a hyperlink, so click cell C3 on the Peoria worksheet. Create a hyperlink that displays total cash flow. So we're going to insert, and we're looking for links. Insert link, and we're looking for a hyperlink. So it displays total cash flow and switches to cell A1. So we want to place in this document on the cash flow worksheet. So cash flow, make sure to type the cell reference is A1 and go ahead and click OK. Right click cell C3 and choose copy from the menu. So we're going to right click, select copy, select the Champagne sheet tab and paste the hyperlink in cell C3. It's going to right click, select paste. We're going to do the same thing for the Rockford sheet tab. So select the Rockford sheet tab, right click and paste there as well. Select the Peoria sheet tab and press escape to remove the copy marquee if it's still visible. What they mean by that is if it's still doing this, then you want to hit escape on your keyboard to make it stop. Select cell C5 and then click the cell with the hyperlink to test it. And it should take you back to cell A1. If everything's working, go ahead and save, close, and upload your file. Yes, submit the file for grading.